this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress onto your local host. In our case, it's going to be XAMPP. I have a previous video which is in the description below or somewhere on this page. As for now, let's go straight to installing WordPress. So to start, make sure that we are at wordpress.org. Once you have arrived at wordpress.org, we go to Get WordPress. And now we want to click Download WordPress. In our case, we already have it in our Downloads folder, but we can move it. This time, we want to install it in our local host. To do that, let's go to our C drive, users, administrator folder. In your case, it could be named anything else, your name or whatever it is, but mine is administrator folder. And we go down to XAMPP, and then we go to htdocs. Once in htdocs, we click save, but make sure, like I said, it's in C drive, users, your administrator folder, XAMPP, then htdocs, then save. Now we go to our htdocs where we have our folder, and now we unzip it. To do that, we right click and we click extract all. Then I'm just going to erase this part here and just leave it as htdocs, and now I'm going to click extract. Finish downloaded. You can see we have the folder. To make sure that we have the right contents, we open the folder as you can see here, and you can see that it is. We scroll through the files and folder. Now we go back to htdocs. Now we go to our control panel in XAMPP. If yours isn't on, you go to control panel and turn it on. You can see in my previous video how to do that. Now we click next to stop in MySQL, we click admin. Now in admin we click database, and now we enter a database name. In our case, we're gonna type in WordPress. Once you typed in WordPress, we click create. Now our work isn't done. Now we're going to go to the website on our local host. So in the search box, in the address box in our browser, we click at the browser and we type in localhost/WordPress. Whenever we make a folder or type a name address, we go to our htdocs to make sure that the name is the same as our folder, so it matches. So in our case, it's WordPress. In htdocs, it says WordPress. So after localhost, it must say WordPress. Then we click enter. I'm going to choose the United Kingdom and continue. I'm going to click let's go. Now we type in WordPress. That's the same name as we put in our PHP admin. Let's go back. Here we type in root. And where it says password, we just leave it blank and we click submit. Now we click run the install. So now I'm going to type in my title of the site, which is going to be WordPress. Username is admin. Password is going to be let me in. As this is an example, I'm choosing a light password so it's easy for you to follow and enter in. Usually I'll choose a hard one, but for this example it's an easy one. Anyway, let's move on. Where it says confirm password, we click confirm, then we put in our email. Now we click install WordPress. Now we click login. Now we type in our username and password. If you can remember, we put in admin and let me in. We click here, this eye, we can see the name, the password. And we click login. As you can see now, we have a fully installed WordPress on our local computer or localhost. Hope this is helpful. If you enjoyed the video or find it useful, please like, subscribe, or make a comment, and I'll see you soon.